Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Biddeford, local and long-distance movers near me. When looking for local moving companies in Biddeford, it's critical to choose the one you can trust, especially when it comes to your most valuable belongings. 3 Movers wants you to have a seamless and safe transfer to your new home. So do your homework while looking for trustworthy moving companies in Biddeford, Maine. There are many companies in Biddeford, Maine that are ready and willing to move your possessions, but not all of them can be trusted or have the necessary training to complete the task correctly. We want you to have a fantastic moving experience from beginning to end. You can trust our movers available in Biddeford for long-distance moves, whether residential or commercial. Our movers do not provide the moving services at one fixed cost, but make a personalized plan depending on your budget without lacking quality. You can discuss your moving needs with our experts on the phone, or we can visit your place and make an accurate assessment of your belongings. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Biddeford moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.